What's up, everybody? Bryce here coming at you with another real quick crypto market update. Things are looking good. Things are in the clear in the crypto market. We're seeing all sorts of excitement bubble up, as you guys well know, with the Bitcoin ETF that is slated to come, I think, later this year. Rumblings are as early as August. So a Bitcoin spot ETF could blow the doors open to how much investable money is available to be buying Bitcoin, to be buying eventually, Ethereum and a lot of these other cryptocurrencies. The way I look at it is there's $105 trillion that's locked up right now in retirement accounts, IRAs, all sorts of different accounts that are really locked for folks who are in retirement, tax advantaged accounts. But they haven't really been able to buy Bitcoin as a spot asset, right? Because it's a commodity that doesn't have any sort of ETF. But with the ETF, people are going to be able to use their Fidelity retirement account or their BlackRock account, and they're going to be able to buy crypto. And that's huge. When you can directly, seamlessly go onto your brokerage account with a click of a button, bam, bam, bam. I mean, that's big. That's going to unleash a wave of buying in the crypto market. So right now, this whole run up in Bitcoin, which it's consolidating above $30,000, which is a really good sign. We haven't dipped back below it at all. It's broken above 30 and it's kind of stayed there. It's above a very key pivot point. And what this is telling me is that there's a lot of speculation. There's a lot of excitement and buying leading into the ETF. But we haven't even had like I said, the floodgates open yet. It's just water kind of seeping through the floodgates, if you will. The real floodgates open when that ETF is approved, when it has its actual first day of trading, and when that pent up demand actually is able to enter the market. In fact, the BlackRock CEO, a guy named Larry Fink, just the other day, literally earlier this week, he goes on CNBC and he's touting Bitcoin as an international asset, as a hedge against inflation, as a digital alternative gold. Okay, BlackRock is the largest asset manager in the world, and this guy is the CEO and founder, and he is now saying that Bitcoin's here to stay. And he goes, I know plenty of people that use Bitcoin as, as an alternative investment vehicle, and that by having the ETF, you're going to democratize the investable sort of accessibility to Bitcoin, because right now, not everybody can get their hands on it, right? Like I said, a lot of money is locked up in those retirement accounts. And when this ETF comes on the line, whoo boy, you better just strap in, because that is going to be a true rocket ship to the moon, okay? But trust me, it's not just going to be Bitcoin that goes to the moon. There are thousands and thousands of other altcoins, of which I think there's maybe only 100 or two that have true fundamental value that will be here for the long term. And very clearly, some coins are popping off today, this past week. I've seen massive moves of 75% on some coins over the last 75% over the last 7 days. So that's big. And when you start to see those kinds of moves, that's alt season coming, okay? Altcoin season, the ever mystical altcoin season that everybody has prayed for. It seems like it's coming here soon. So if you're not in, now is the time to get in big. And that's your crypto market update. And by the way, if you're not subscribed to a service where you could get, live TA, weekly calls, weekly newsletters, buy zones and sell zones, targeted fundamental and technical analysis, but you want something like that, well, I highly recommend that you sign up with our service, Crypt Nation. In fact, we have an offer we're running right now for just $1. You could get a 2-week trial to everything that we have to offer here at Crypt Nation, okay? So I encourage you, come check it out. We've got a lot in store for you. And again, the best way for you guys to learn how to navigate the crypto market, we got a Crypto 101 University, and we tell you the best coins to buy and where to buy them. So if that sounds interesting, again, click that button below, click the link, $1, 2 weeks. We'll see you inside.